Guys, welcome back to Crypto Airdrop Island. I hope you have a wonderful day. In today's video, we have a special token that we'll be talking about. The name of this token is called fomoETH token. But before we get into the video, please like and share this video. And if you are new to this channel, I welcome you. Please click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you'll be the first to get notified whenever we post an awesome video like this. Without any further delay, let's head into the video. I'll open my Trust Wallet. As you can see, I've already copied the link, but don't worry, I will leave the link and contract address in the description. And in case if you're unable to copy it from the YouTube description, join our Telegram group so that you can have access to this contract address and the link and some other tons of wonderful content there. Now, without any further delay, I'll click the DAPP and I'll go to my DAPP browser. I'll paste the link that I've copied, then search. So it takes some time. Now, like I always said, remember to change the network from Ethereum to Smart Chain by clicking the Ethereum symbol up there like this. So change to Smart Chain. Now, let us allow it to load. It takes some time. Okay, it's loading. Okay, now it has fully loaded. Now, let's take a look at the project site. Like I said, the name of the token is what fomoETH token. It's an Ethereum Base Token, and as you can see here, this is the project site. You can take your time to go through it. Make sure you get yourself acquainted with it. They will have an app that will be coming up soon. Now, this is one that concerns us the most. Now, it's a claim airdrop 60 FMT airdrop. Now, it's a airdrop will end on March 2, 2022. And they will have 39 more days to claim this airdrop. Now, so we are told to connect our Binance Smart Chain first. So the FMT token will appear on the Pancake Exchange on March 22. That is, we have 39 more days for this token to be listed on Pancake Swap. That is, on March 22 we can easily swap our token and exchange it to any other currency that we want. Now, let's go through the site and see what they have. Yes, pre-sale sold out. As you can see here, token exchange, their roadmap and everything. Like I told us before, it's an Ethereum base token. As you can see right here, it's an Ethereum base token. Look at it. Now let's go back to where we can claim the airdrop. Now, in case you want to buy, this is where you can buy the token. As you can see, 0.01 BNB is the minimum and the maximum is 10 BNB, and you get 720,000 FMT, while the minimum you get 720 FMT. Without any further delay, let us go straight into claiming this airdrop. Now, for us to claim this airdrop, you have to click the claim airdrop button. It will take time to load. Let us wait. Now, here we can see we're going to pay a little bit of fee of 0.002, which is about 84 cents, and we'll be paying a gas fee of 59 cents. That's okay. Comparing what we'll be getting 60 of this token, and it will be listing for $1.USD. At least we can easily make our money back. Now, all you have to do is click approve, and once you approve it, immediately it will be credited into your account. The max total we'll be paying is $1.44. So we'll click the approve and it will take us back to the site. Now, we'll copy the contract address You can copy the contact address get the contact address from my Telegram channel, or you can come here and click the BSC scan, Binance Smart Chain scan. Come here, this is the contract address, copy it. Once we copy it, close the browser, go back to our wallet. Now we'll click, for the sake of those that are new, click these two arrows, these two dots like this. Once you click there, scroll down till you find the add custom token, here like this. Click it, then change network from Ethereum to Smart Chain. Then all you have to do now is click the paste, and automatically the name, the symbols, and the decimal will appear. Then we click done and wait. Boom, we've claimed our token, FMT token. Now let's go back to the site again. Now, I am not a financial advisor, but in case you feel like this project is something that you want, you can always invest into the project. But I urge you, do your research, for I have done my research. So you should do your own research before you decide to invest into any project, especially cryptocurrency. So do your research properly, and then you still have 39 more days to think, to decide whether you want to invest into the project or not. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time.